What better time than now to prioritize your health, like at Longevity Performance Center. We at DeVoe Automotive Group are continuing to help promote locally owned Southwest Florida businesses and keep them rolling. So we're gonna go inside and find out what they do in here. This is fun, it's different. All right, hi there. Hi. Wow, what a beautiful facility you have. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. I'm Kaitlyn.
I am Natasha. I'm the Director of Nutritional Wellness here at the Longevity Performance Center.
Awesome, it's so nice to meet you. So tell me a little bit about what goes on here. This is really, really spectacular.
So we are a medically directed, digitally connected wellness and fitness facility. All of our equipment here is customized to our members, and then we issue them specific training programs. So we're very big on promoting muscle building in a safe and effective way, and creating a comfortable environment. We also offer non-opioid pain management therapy.
Gotcha.
We have our magnet therapy and our MLS laser therapy, and then we do nutrition counseling as well.
That's amazing. I feel like right now, especially more than ever, people are trying to look for ways to boost their immunity because of this virus. How has the virus affected your company?
Things have slowed down a little bit, but our facility is equipped with a Synexis air filtration system. This is a dry hydrogen peroxide air filtration system that kills viruses and bacteria.
They've got it all.
So that makes it a very safe place to be. But we also know that exercise, optimizing nutrition, and making sure clients are taking supplements are also one of the most effective ways at keeping our immune system regulated. So we've actually had some of our members coming in regularly to do our strength training program. There's even an immunity program designed so that they're not getting too strenuous of a workout. Too much exercise can suppress the immune system.
Right. So can we have a little bit of a tour? I want to check out some of this awesome stuff here. It's really, really neat. Now, how long have you guys been open?
So we opened in January of 2019.
Okay, so new.
So brand new. Up here we have our cardio equipment. And the neat thing about this equipment is you can do a cardio fitness test on here, and that will provide you with your cardio fitness age. So based off of your performance on the test, it'll tell you what your cardio age is, and then it'll give you 3 specific workouts based off of your
I don't know if I want to know my cardio fitness age.
So it's really neat.
But that's cool. I actually do, because then you can, try to get to your optimal age of what you need to be at. That's awesome. What technology?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then back here we have our agent circuit. So this is really the star of our facility and what sets us apart from traditional gym settings. So each machine is calibrated to our members. That's done with a band that we provide. So when you scan the band, it remembers all of your settings, it remembers your training weight, how many reps you're supposed to do. And
that is amazing. This is like the gym of the future.
Yes. So, and training weights are all determined based on a strength test, and then those strength tests are tested every 6th workout. So it's acting as your trainer. It's progressing your workout like every other week.
This is awesome. I need a membership here. This is so. No, are there memberships? How does that work?
So we do provide 2 different types of memberships. We have a membership for the gym only, and then we have a membership that includes the nutrition services as well as our therapies.
Gotcha.
So, and the other great thing, you can get a full body workout in just 30 minutes. We recommend going around this circle twice. Full body workout, 30 minutes. We recommend it every other day, 3 times a week, so it's really efficient as well.
Wow, amazing. And can we check, there's another thing back over here,
so
we have another circle? Or?
Yes, we have 2 circuits, and you can see our nurse actually is scanning in.
So cool.
So
you just scanned your band?
Yep, you just scan your band and wait for the circuit to complete the waiting period, and then you start your workout.
Wow, amazing.
So everything's set on a timer, so everybody's gonna stop and start around the same time. So you're never gonna wait for a machine. All of the machines are spaced about 6 feet apart, so that adheres to the physical distancing guidelines that have been recommended. And the fun part, it's gamified. So you're collecting the coins.
Oh, this is for me. Done. I'm sold already. This is amazing. I love it.
Yeah, so it's a fun workout too.
don't have to think about a thing.
That's so great, and
Yeah.
and what a great way to keep our community healthy and safe by offering these incredible ways for people to exercise and continue to improve their health, because we need that right now, definitely in this community, for sure.
Well, and speaking of improving health, one of our therapies is brand new. We started offering it in March. It's our MagnaWave therapy. This is an electromagnetic pulsed therapy that mimics the electromagnetic waves of the sun and the earth. So when they say walk on the beach barefoot, the reason for that is you're getting exposure to these magnetic energy from the earth and the sun, and that helps increase blood flow, which helps reduce inflammation.
Gotcha.
So we have that therapy available over here in our room, and that's meant to be kind of like a meditative type therapy.
That's awesome. So this place is incredible. If you think it's incredible just like me, if you purchase a car from DeVoe Automotive, we can give you a $200 gift card here to get yourself started with this amazing exercise facility. So thank you so much. We appreciate it. And we're going to keep Southwest Florida rolling and keep them healthy at the same time.